Welcome. Ever wondered if any birds brave the extreme cold? While no birds call the absolute coldest planet, like Pluto, home, many incredible species thrive in Earth's frigid regions. Think of the emperor penguin, a true marvel of resilience, enduring Antarctica's brutal winters. Or the snow bunting, a small bird with a remarkable ability to survive icy landscapes. These feathered friends demonstrate astonishing adaptations, proving life's tenacity even in the harshest environments. It's truly inspiring to see how nature finds a way. Thank you for joining us.